So here's the equation. Write it down and see what we can do with it without looking below. Okay? Well, now, hopefully you've done that, and you understand that we can only change the form if we have the log of just a single quantity isolated on one side. Then we're going to be able to change that to exponential form. Okay, how's that going to work out in this case? Well, we have to know the properties of logarithms. Now, that was all assigned for class today, but at least one person had trouble finding the assignment. It was, assignment's given 1 week, it's due a week later, so I think this person was looking under today to find out the assignment that was due today. That's not an illogical thing to do, but if you're used to the course, and hopefully would be by this point, you would know that last Monday is when the assignment was given, due this Monday. Okay, actually it's Tuesday, so it was given last Tuesday, due this Tuesday. Okay. If you've done the assignment for last week, or if you are familiar with the properties of logs, then you know that the log of m minus the log of n equals the log of m divided by n. It's one of our basic rules, and we went over that idea in the last class, so you might want to review those notes. Okay, so this can be simplified to log base 5 of x squared minus 5x plus 6, and since this is subtracted, you're going to divide by the x plus 3. And now we have the log of a single expression equal to just some number. It's very easy to turn that around. This means then that 5 to the third here equals this expression. Now that still looks a little bit intimidating. You know, it looks like a quadratic expression, so at the least you're going to have to deal with a quadratic equation, but it's a little better than that. This is a rational expression. When you see a rational expression, hopefully, this is what we did in the last chapter, you factor. And that's real easy to factor. I wrote down one of the easiest expressions there is to factor, so that hopefully that would jog your memory. Of course, by this time we're toward the end of class, and you know, people were trying to sort out a lot of stuff. So not everybody saw that, and I didn't really give everybody time to see that because we were running short on time. So hopefully you see now that this is easily factored. Now I asserted that in class, and I wrote this down, and that this equals x minus 3 times x minus 2, and next time you see something like this, you're going to think, oh boy, I hope this divides into this evenly, right? So I hope when I factor this, this is one of the factors, as it is here. So the x minus 3 divides the x minus 3, leaving you 1, which just leaves you x minus 2 on this side. And that's equal to 5 cubed. Well, we've already seen 5 cubed. Remember, 5 squared is 25. That's like a quarter, and 5 quarters is a buck and a quarter, so that's 125. X minus 2 equals 125. Not a difficult equation to solve. So this whole intimidating looking thing reduced down to this, which is really easy to solve. Just add 2 to both sides, you get x equals 127. Then you could plug 127 back in here. Now I know how enthusiastic you're going to be about squaring 127, then subtracting 5 times 127 and adding 6. Okay, and then doing something similar over here. Okay, so you're probably going to try to avoid checking this one. It's worth checking.